Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, insurance management system means vehicle insurance management system. And I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is the PHP version 7, and the MySQL version is 5.6. I'm using the Jam server for running this project. But if you have other servers like WAMP and EasyPHP, then you can configure this project on those softwares also. Also, if you are using the Linux operating system, then you can use the LAMP stack, and for Mac operating system you can use the MAMP stack, right? So this is the operating systems which it supports, and this all technologies I have used for developing this project. The backend technologies, right? For front-end development I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for sliders, for calendars, for form validations I have used the jQuery plugins. Means this is the web application. So we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So these all technologies I have used for developing this project, vehicle insurance management system, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So as I told you earlier, the project title is vehicle insurance management system. It's a mini PHP and MySQL based DBMS project. DBMS because we are performing the database operation inside it, right? Means all the insert, update, delete and the read operations is performed by PHP, and its database we are using the MySQL, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple source home page, right? This is about us. This is about the project. Means what's the project about, right? If you want to change the content, then you can change it directly from the HTML. This is the all insurance. Means all of the insurance which belongs to vehicle will be displayed here. This is a category, right? Once you click on the insurance image, then you will get all the details and all of the insurance types, right? So once you click, this is the category and this is the insurance, right? Once you click on the view details, then you will be able to see the details of that insurance, right? And once you click on the view document, then you will be able to see the documents, right? So this is the steps, right? So all insurance means these are the category, and many insurance belongs to a single category, right? Once you click on that, you will be able to see the details of the category, and after that all of the insurance which belongs to that category will be displayed just below that, right? This is a login. This is a mini project, that's why it has only and only admin login. There is no customer login, there is no customer registration inside this project. So you can log in inside this project using the username admin and the password is test. This is the contact us, and it's the static contact us page. We are not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database, and we are not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let's start with the login. So the user ID is admin and the password is test, right? So this is the admin dashboard. So once you log inside the system, you will get the admin dashboard, and these operations you can perform. Let me go through one by one, right? Home already explained you about us. All insurance already explained you. Now this is the dashboards, and it will you will get it after the login. Before login, you will not be able to get the dashboard, right? This is the admin. So this all menus which is available here will be displayed here also. So you can see these menus are also available here too, right? So once you click on the add customer, you will be able to add the customer. So all the customer details you can fill here, and these details will be saved into the database, right? Next one is the add category. So as I show already explained you, this is the all insurance, right? So this is the category, right? So if you want to add more category, just click on the add category. You will be able to add the more categories here, right? This is the add policy. From here you will be able to add the policy, and each and every policy belongs to that category. This is the type, and this is the dynamic drop down. What you have added in the category will be displayed here. This is the add customer policy. So if any customer is buying any policy, then this is the details. This is a form for filling that, right? So here you need to select this policy, and after that this is a customer. Means for that, in this both drop down are dynamic, and the value of these drop downs are coming from the database, right? So if you want to add customer more, add more customer, just go on the add customer, and you will be able to add more customer. And after filling the form, the value of this form will be saved into the database, right? So there are four add forms: add customer, add category, add policy and add customer policy. This is a report from where you will be able to see the reports, right? So this is the customer reports, right? And if you want to edit it, just click on the edit. You will be able to edit the customer and update it also. This is the category report. All of the category which is available in the system will be displayed here. So currently there are four categories, right? And if you want to search it, just click on the just search the items and it will search on real time. And after that you will be able to edit and delete it also, right? Even the next one is the category listing. Already explained you, this is the listing page, and this all insurance and the category listing both are the same. This is the policy report. All of the policies which you have added will be displayed here. In this you will be able to see the view documents. You can edit it and update the details, right? Even you can search the policy here, right? So you can see this is the policy, right? After that you can view the document, edit it and delete it. Even you can sort the static policy from here also, right? This is the customer policy. All of the customer policy means the policy which have sold to customer, right, will be displayed here, right? So this is the view document section, means what the documents you have given to the customer will be displayed here. Even you can edit and update the customer policy also, right? This is a change password, from where you will be able to change the password and the logout. So once you log out, then above administration menu will not be displayed, and you will not be able to access the administration menu without logging inside the system. So let me show you. This is logout. So above header is totally session driven, and if you log inside the system, the above header menu will be displayed. If you log out from the system, the above header menu will not be displayed, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project, the vehicle insurance management system. And as I told you earlier, this is the PHP and MySQL web-based uh, web-based mini project, mini DBMS project, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.